Hey Stemmies, today we will be talking about the stem cell controversy. Stem cells are split into two categories, embryonic stem cells and adult stem cells. Let's start off with embryonic stem cells. Embryonic stem cells come from embryos that are unused and are used for research. We'll get to that in a second. These cells are also pluripotent, which means they can turn into more than one kind of cell. Stem cells are the only cells in our bodies that can create new cells. The second category of stem cells are adult stem cells, which are divided again into two categories. One of the types are the ones that are fully developed from tissue like brain, skin, and bone marrow. This means they will probably make only one category of cell. Like a stem cell from the brain, it will only create more brain cells. The other type of adult stem cells are induced pluripotent stem cells, which are changed in a lab to be similar like embryonic stem cells. But scientists still can't make a stem cell which can turn into every type of cell and tissue in our body. The reason why stem cells are so interesting is because we can extract stem cells from embryos and inject them into other people. With more stem cells, we are able to have more protection, meaning that the stem cells can fix an issue with our heart if needed by a stem cell, turning it into a cardiac muscle. Stem cells are highly controversial because of the method we gain stem cells by, which is extracting them from human embryos, which means killing an unborn person to receive stem cells. This can create a lot of ethical issues and questions. Let's say a 70-year-old man using stem cells that you extracted from an embryo, or having a new human on this planet that can maybe solve climate change. But how about if a doctor gets sick while almost having cured cancer and can be saved by stem cells? Or is it better to keep those stem cells in the embryo, which could later grow up to be anyone? As you can see, there's so many ethical issues that come with stem cell treatment and research. These two examples can highlight the pros and the cons of stem cell research. I hope you enjoyed this episode since it's a little bit different, but I try not to have a bias while writing this and want you to make the decision. Is stem cell treatment and research okay?